Hi, I am Dr. Eli Kohlberg from Unlimited Robotics, and in this video I will talk about a fixed resistor as a basic electric component. A fixed resistor is a passive electronic component that resists electric current and has a fixed resistance within the allowed tolerance. The resistance is measured in units of ohms, and it is designated by the letter omega. 1 ohm is the resistance of a resistor that 1 ampere of current flows through it, and the voltage drop on the resistor is 1 volt. The relation between the voltage, current, and resistance is presented by Ohm's law, V equals I times R. Resistors are used for many purposes, including current limit, voltage divider, heat production, circuit charge, control gain, fixed time constants, and more. There exist many resistor values and are spread across 9 orders of magnitude. Not all resistance values are available. There exist only discrete resistance values. Next figure presents standard resistor values with 5% tolerance. We see from the figure that, for example, we have a value of 130 ohms, and the next value is 150 ohms. There is no value of 140 ohms. So there are discrete values for resistance. It is more convenient to use shortcut when writing big or small numbers. For example, the letter K presents kilo, and it means that there is a need to multiply the number by 1000. For example, if the value of a resistor is 12k ohms, it means that its value is 12,000 ohms. The common multipliers and dividers are kilo, which is multiplied by 1000, mega, which means multiplied by 1 million, small m means divide by 1000, and the letter mu, which stands for micro, means divide by 1 million. Resistors are marked with color stripes that enable to determine the value with no need to use measurement equipment. There is a meaning to both the color and its position on the resistor. For example, a resistor that has 4 stripes, where 3 are close to each other and the 4th is a bit further. For determining the resistor value, start from the external color out of the 3 close ones. The first color stripe marks the first digit. The second color stripe marks the second digit. The third color stripe marks the number of zeros that are added to the right of the first 2 digits. We can look at the third digit as a multiplier of 10 to the power of the third digit. For example, if the first color stripe presents the digit 2, the second color stripe presents the digit 7, and the third color stripe presents the digit 3, then the value is multiplied by 10 to the power of 3, meaning that the resistor value is 27 times 10 to the power of 3 ohms, or 27,000 ohms, or 27 kilo ohms. The fourth further color stripe marks the accuracy percentage. Next table presents the color codes of resistors. Black stands for 0, brown stands for 1, red stands for 2, orange stands for 3, yellow stands for 4, green stands for 5, blue stands for 6, purple stands for 7, gray stands for 8, and white stands for 9. These are the digits. The multipliers can be seen under the multiplier column. And the accuracy percentage is presented in the most right column. The commonly used accuracy percentage are 5% and 10% that are presented by the colors gold and silver. The fourth further color stripe marks the accuracy percentage. Next figure presents a resistor that has the colors brown, black, yellow, and silver. From the table we find that brown equals 1, black is 0, and yellow is 4. Silver is 10% accuracy. The resistor value is then 10 times 10 to the power of 4 ohms, or 100,000 ohms, or 100 kilo ohms, with plus or minus 10% accuracy. It means that the resistor value range includes values between 90 kilo ohms and 110 kilo ohms. Quiz: what is the value of the two following resistors? First one we have red, brown, and gold. And the second one, green, yellow, orange, and silver. Okay. Answer. The first resistor digits are 2, red, another 2, red, 1, which is brown, which gives 220 ohms. The accuracy, it's a gold color, is plus or minus 5%. The second resistor digits are 5 from the green color, 4 from the yellow, 3 from orange, which gives 54,000 ohms or 54 kilo ohms. The accuracy is plus or minus 10%. Thank you for being with me in this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.